we are not going to accept the 2016, which has been introduced to bring the illegal Bangladeshis, the Hindus Bangladeshis from Bangladesh. So this is a clear message to this Delhi and to the Dispur, to the state government, that we are not going to accept citizenship here. And one thing is that since our neighboring state from Mizoram, from Meghalaya, from Nagaland, they have been opposing from the very beginning since 2016, and we have seen in news media just in the 17th Republic Day on 26 January that if the government of India is going to implement this citizenship amendment bill, the government of Mizoram and the state assembly from Shillong in Meghalaya, they told that they are going to get away from India. But we the Krabi Student Association, we didn't keep this vote. But this is the last warning for the central government and for the state government. If you are going to play with us, then the consequences will be very dangerous in the days to come. We are not going to accept the illegal Bangladeshis. We are not going to share our home. We are not going to share our properties with illegal Bangladeshis. If the government of Assam fail to protect the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimasaw, then separate Karbi Anglong from Assam. Give us a separate state. We are not going to stay in Assam. If you have failed to protect us, this is the last warning. And I want to say clearly that the Karbi Student Association will be going to make the movement stronger and stronger in the days to come. Only can say, Nancy will not think of it.
Yes, and long live! Long live! Yes, and long live! Long live! Yes, and long live! Long live! Long live!
Bangladeshi go back! Bangladeshi go back!
Go back! Go back!
Bangladeshi go back!
Go back! Go back! Down! 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 Wacko! 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 Wacko!